One of the things that we can all do to protect our environment is recycling and reusing. However, in Hong Kong, there are inadequate and passive recycling systems with the lack of land space. Waste management in Hong Kong has been a problem for decades. In 2015, Hong Kong has produced 3.7 million tons of municipal waste, which is more than how much Italy has produced in the same year. On top of that, food wastes from households in Hong Kong are currently mixed with other wastes, causing odor and hygiene problems easily because it is highly degradable. Given that the city's 3 landfill sites are set to reach their capacity by 2020, we dream for a few solutions to make recycling easier and to prevent food from being wasted. This smart material is made from the extract of tomato and avocado peel. The avocado peel, which is usually the unwanted part, has even twice as much as antioxidants. The smart peel is made in different sizes to seal tightly of the open surface of different kind of food to reduce water losses and oxidation. Users of household can simply put food that's on the verge of being wasted into the rescuer, which is a freeze-drying machine, and get noticed by the mobile app that is connected to the system. Freeze-dried food can also be smashed into powder and feed the plants, add into dog food, or even just simply preserve the food for longer use. The whole machine is made of borosilicate glass, which has a low coefficient of thermal expansion, dealing with the rapid decrease in temperature. The inner layer of glass also contains a self-healing polymers that responds to external stimulus to recover it to initial material properties. It is a biomimicry of human skin tissue.
Recycling cans and plastic, when wastes are put into the collector, distinguished materials will then go through a funnel that is shaped like a caterpillar's body. This relates to the concept of biomimicry, as a caterpillar has a segmented body, and when it consumes food, its body contracts and digests food into small pieces. The funnel will be made out of piezoelectric material. This material produces a voltage when a force is applied, and that voltage causes the material to contract. Hence, as waste pass through the funnel, the piezoelectric sensors on the surface will recognize it to contract and compress its waste into small-sized waste that can be reused for other purposes. For instance, compressed aluminum can be melted down and made into new products over and over again, hence making recycling more efficient.
Kinetic energy used in the system is the responsive indirect control. Both the sensors, which are the metal cans and plastic, turn into the control by mechanical stress. After optimized decision, the energy source is produced under electrical charge, which is generated by voltage. It eventually educates the movement of bending, expanding, and contracting those materials to be reused in the future. Let's move on to the last part of our invention. The power-generating sidewalk. It is an electric harvesting tiles of sidewalk that's situated in the entrance of the estate. Energy are generated from residents' footsteps. Every time when people walk by, the kinetic energy are captured and turns into electricity to generate the recycling system. As people step on the tiles, their weight causes electromagnetic induction generators to vertically displace, which results in a rotatory motion that generates off-grid electricity. The more people walk, the more energy can be created. Ideally, this sidewalk can generate 30 seconds of energy from each footsteps to the system generator.